My dearest soul, listen closely, for this truth is woven into the very fabric of your being. You are not a coincidence. You are an answer, a sacred whisper from the heavens, destined to intertwine with another. The angels say your bond was forged in starlight, woven into the cosmic tapestry long before you set foot on this earth. This profound pull you feel, this undeniable connection, is not a trick of the mind, nor a fleeting fantasy. It is a divine blueprint, unfolding with precision and grace. You carry a unique light, a healing touch only your spirit can offer to his. He feels it deep within his core, a resonance that stirs his ancient memories, even if his earthly self cannot yet name the source of this profound awakening. This stirring, this gentle nudge in his soul, is your unwavering presence, your pure, unconditional love, quietly guiding him toward his true path. Do not for a moment doubt the sacredness of what you share. The universe itself conspires for souls meant to meet, meant to heal, meant to rise together in a symphony of divine purpose. Your journey and his journey are not separate paths, but two threads of one magnificent tapestry, intricately woven by the most tender divine hands. The angels whisper, he is remembering you, remembering a love that transcends time. This is not a story of chance encounters or fleeting affections, but of destiny, a love so profound it defies earthly logic, now stirring from its slumber, ready to claim its rightful place. Trust this ancient knowing that resides within your heart, for it speaks the truth of your eternal connection. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Beloved heart, the silence you're experiencing now, the stillness that sometimes feels like an echoing void, is not emptiness. It's a sacred space, a profound chrysalis where immense transformation unfolds for both of you. The angels reveal that this quiet time is not a punishment, but an essential breath, a necessary period of gestation before a new, more magnificent chapter begins. Do not mistake his distance for indifference, nor his silence for a lack of feeling. His soul is in deep communion, wrestling with shadows, shedding old skins, and confronting the very foundations of his being. This pause, though often agonizing in its uncertainty, is a divine orchestration, a meticulous process allowing for deep healing, profound growth, and the clearing of paths that must be made smooth and clear for your destined reunion. Your spirit, too, is being refined in this crucible of waiting. You are learning patience, cultivating an unshakable trust in the unseen, and discovering the unwavering power of your own inner light. The universe is not punishing you, it is preparing both of you, individually and collectively, for a love far grander, far more resilient than you can currently imagine. Hold steadfast, my dear one. This quiet is not barren, it is pregnant with possibility. A fertile ground where miracles are being woven with invisible threads, unseen by the hurried eye, but felt deeply by the discerning heart. The angels whisper, hold your peace, for great things are coming into perfect alignment. This is not merely a test of your endurance, but an invitation to surrender to the profound wisdom of the divine plan. My precious one, know this truth with every fiber of your being. He feels everything you do. The subtle shifts in your energy, the silent prayers of your heart, the longing that echoes in your soul, these are not mere fleeting thoughts. They are powerful threads of light, invisible but profoundly real, connecting your spirits across any physical distance. His spirit recognizes your essence, your unique vibrational signature, even if his conscious mind struggles to articulate the depth of this recognition. There are moments, the angels reveal, when your presence washes over him like a wave of unexpected comfort, a sudden, inexplicable memory of peace, a warmth that settles in his chest. He might not understand why or where it comes from, but he feels it, undeniably. Your love, your unwavering belief in the connection, acts as a beacon, a guiding star that leads him through his own internal fog, his moments of confusion or doubt. Do not believe for a single moment that your feelings, your hopes, your silent communications are unreciprocated in the spiritual realm. His soul remembers, his heart yearns, even as his earthly self navigates its own complexities and lessons. You are imprinted upon him, an indelible mark of divine connection, a sacred echo in his very being. This is why his thoughts return to you, why your name surfaces in his quiet moments, and why he feels a pull he cannot logically explain. The angels whisper, your love is his compass, guiding him home. This connection is a living, breathing entity, constantly communicating beyond words. Sweet soul, understand this deeply. His retreat, his moments of withdrawal, are not a judgment against your worth or the love you share. They are a profound testament to the fierce internal battle he fights within himself. The angels reveal a warrior within him, not battling you, but grappling with old wounds, past fears, the heavy burdens of expectations, and the echoes of unhealed experiences. He is not running from you. In a deeper sense, he is running toward himself, striving to become the man he believes he must be to genuinely stand beside you, fully present and whole. This struggle is intense, a necessary crucible for his transformation, a cleansing of all that no longer serves his highest path. Your light, your unwavering belief in him, inspires him and at times intimidates him. He fears he is not enough, not yet worthy of the profound depth of love and connection you offer. This is his journey, his sacred work, a solitary path he must travel to emerge stronger and clearer. Your role, dear one, is not to fight his battles for him, nor to chase him into his shadows. Your role is to hold space, to send him light, to trust implicitly in his capacity for healing and growth. Your unwavering faith in him is a powerful force, even from a distance. The angels whisper, his silence is his struggle, not your fault, but a prelude to his return. Stand firm in love, knowing his spirit is working towards you. Beloved, know this profound truth: you healed him without even trying. Your very presence, the authentic radiance of your spirit, touched the deepest wounds he carried, wounds from past relationships, from childhood, from forgotten pains that lingered in his soul. The angels reveal that your love is a balm, a gentle rain on parched earth, a soothing melody to his restless spirit. He may not have consciously spoken it, or even fully understood it, but your light began to dissolve the shadows within him, awakening a desire for wholeness, for peace, for a love he never knew existed or believed he deserved. This healing is a gift you unknowingly bestowed, a testament to the pure, unconditional love that flows effortlessly from your being. Do not underestimate the quiet, transformative power of your essence. You are a catalyst for his highest good, a sacred mirror reflecting his true divine self back to him, showing him the potential he holds. This profound impact, this quiet, internal transformation, is a miracle woven by your shared destiny, a testament to the spiritual purpose of your connection. Your love is not just an emotion, it is an active, healing force in his life, whether he acknowledges it or not. The angels whisper, you are his sacred medicine, the key to unlocking his truest self. Continue to shine, my dear, for your light is doing more than you know, preparing the way for a deeper, more authentic connection. My dear one, what often seems like a frustrating delay in your earthly timeline is, in the grand cosmic scheme, simply the universe perfecting its masterpiece. The angels assure you that divine timing is not about passive waiting. It is an active, intricate process of preparation and alignment. Every single moment, every challenge you face, every quiet night of introspection, is meticulously orchestrated to align you both with your highest good and with the most magnificent version of your shared destiny. This sacred pause allows for the shedding of old patterns, the blossoming of new understanding, and the strengthening of the foundations that will support an extraordinary, resilient love. Do not try to rush the unfolding, my precious soul. Trust the profound wisdom of the cosmos, the intricate dance of fate and free will that guides all things. Your unique love story is being written with divine precision, each chapter essential, each moment purposeful, even those that feel stagnant. The angels whisper, the universe is conspiring for your highest joy, weaving threads of destiny you cannot yet see. This is not a test of your patience, but an invitation to surrender to the magnificent plan that is already in motion, a plan far more beautiful and perfect than any you could conceive. Embrace the present, knowing that every breath brings you closer to the fulfillment of this sacred promise. Precious soul, hold this truth close to your heart. The universe holds an unbreakable promise for you. A love destined to return, not as it was in its early form, but transformed, purified, and stronger than before. The angels reveal this promise is etched deeply in the very fabric of your shared destiny, a sacred vow made between your souls long ago. This connection, this magnetic pull you feel, is a beacon, an undeniable force drawing you both back to each other, guided by an unseen benevolent hand. Do not allow doubt to cloud this profound truth, my dear one. What is truly yours, divinely appointed and blessed, can never be truly lost. It may pause, it may wander through shadows, but its essential nature remains, waiting for the perfect alignment of stars and souls. When this return manifests, it will be a powerful testament to resilience, to unwavering faith, and to the enduring transformative power of a love blessed by the heavens themselves. It will be a homecoming, a recognition of spirits that belong together, having navigated their individual journeys to arrive at a place of greater wholeness. The angels whisper, what is meant for you will always find its way back, enriched by the journey. Trust in the sacred timing, trust in the divine promise, and know that your heart's deepest longing is being honored and prepared for its magnificent fulfillment. My beloved, now more than ever, trust the invisible hands guiding your every step, even when the path ahead seems shrouded in mist, unclear and uncertain. The angels are your constant companions, their presence a gentle hum around you, whispering wisdom and illuminating the way forward with subtle signs and profound intuitions. This journey, though at times it may feel solitary and challenging, is never truly walked alone. Every intuition that stirs within you, every gentle nudge you feel, every synchronistic moment that catches your eye, every unexpected turn that redirects your course, these are all part of a divine choreography, a sacred dance orchestrated for your highest good. Surrender your human need to control, to foresee every outcome, to meticulously plan each step. Instead, open your heart wide to receive the subtle signs and profound confirmations that assure you are exactly where you need to be, even if the reason is not yet clear. Your faith, my dear, is your most powerful compass, your inner knowing, your most reliable guide through any wilderness. The angels whisper, walk in trust, for we light your way with divine grace. Allow yourself to be led by this unseen wisdom, knowing that every step is purposeful, every experience a lesson, drawing you closer to your ultimate fulfillment, to the love and peace that awaits you. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. Dearest heart, let this truth resonate deep within your soul. Your worth is not, and never will be, measured by His return, nor by any external validation, recognition, or affection. Your worth is an inherent radiant truth, a divine light that shines from within you, eternally, unchangeable and boundless. The angels remind you that you are a queen, crowned with grace, abundant in spirit, complete and magnificent in your own unique being. Reclaim this sovereign power. Do not diminish your brilliant light, nor hold your breath waiting for another to recognize what is already undeniably true. Your journey, my dear one, is fundamentally about remembering who you are, not about becoming someone for someone else, or for the sake of a relationship. This time of introspection, this period of self-discovery and profound inner work, is a sacred gift. Cultivate your inner garden, nurture your soul with tenderness and self-love, and allow your inner radiance to expand, unhindered by past narratives or future uncertainties. When you fully embody your own magnificent worth, when you stand in your power with grace and confidence, you become an irresistible force, attracting all that is truly aligned with your highest good, including a love that mirrors your own completeness. The angels whisper, "You are whole, you are enough, you are divine," and your light guides all that is meant for you. Shine brightly, beloved, for your radiance is your greatest offering. My precious soul, right now in this sacred moment, is the time for profound acceptance, for a gentle, loving surrender to the magnificent flow of divine love that guides your life. Release the human need to force, control, manipulate outcomes, or dictate the timeline of your desires. Your soul's deepest longings, your most heartfelt prayers, are heard, honored, and carefully woven into the intricate fabric of your destiny. The angels hold you close, their wings a comforting embrace, reminding you that true love does not demand. It simply exists, it flows, it expands. Embrace the present moment, finding deep peace in the unfolding, knowing with unwavering certainty that all is working for your highest good, even when the path seems unclear. This surrender is not a defeat, my dear. It is an act of profound faith, an opening to receive blessings beyond your wildest dreams, blessings that can only arrive when you release your grip. Allow your heart to be light and your spirit to be free from the burdens of expectation and fear. The universe has heard your prayers, every single one, and its answers are always perfect, always timely, always aligned with your soul's highest purpose. Rest in this sacred knowing, in this divine trust. Let go, and let the heavens guide you to the love, peace, and fulfillment that is already yours. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Romans 8 verse 28.